And this is a continuation of the what we've been doing in class. And we kind of just restarted. So, right, the first thing you need to do is you need to download Smart PLS, this right here, PLS, Smart PLS 4. You're going to find that, just look it up online. You should be able to find it pretty quickly. And then you need to sign up to that, right? Figure out how to log in, whatever it is. Then you're going to go to the quantitative exam right here. And you're going to go to the very bottom. You're going to download this thing that says HBAT 100 Clean 1 CSV, right? You're going to download that. And once you have downloaded that, you need to convert it to, I believe, a TXT, which I will try to show. So HBAT, right? So you have the CSV right here. You want to open that up. Okay, in Excel, and then save as, right? Or go up here and then click save as. Wait. Well, either way, you have to save it as a TXT, right? And once you have that TXT, then you can go to your Smart PLS, which is right here. Here's your Smart PLS. And you'll want to click New Project, name it whatever. I'm just going to do JW for you. Okay. Right here under the JW file, you're going to have Import Data File, right? And this is where you're going to import your HBAT 100 Clean Text, TXT, right? It won't let you do the other ones, but you'll be able to do this one. Okay. I don't necessarily remember what the number was down here, but just take note of that. Just put like 0.09 or something like that, and then apply marker, right? And just remember that that's the number that you put in case it's a little funky, right? It's got to pull up this, right? And this looks intimidating, I know, but all you're going to do is you're going to go back, you're going to click on this, and then you're going to click PLS SEM, and you can save that under whatever name you want. You can do it however you want, right? And here is a lot of your data. So if I look at it, I think this should be, let's see, that's not right. Delete. Here, I'm gonna go back. Well, 19, whatever this is your, what is it? Customer satisfaction, right? And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to drag these other ones in here, and you have to go off of what your what was it called? What was significant, right? So if, let's say, product quality X6 is significant, right? Then we have product, or let me delete that one so it just makes more sense. All right, so let's put F6 in there, right? That's our product quality is significant to it, right? Now we're going to connect this to that, right? And that's how it should look, right? So now you have your product quality and you have the number right there, okay? And now you're going to calculate. You're going to go bootstrapping and start calculation, right? And it's going to take a second to load. And there you go, it's going to download. Now you have a 0.000, right? Remember, 0.000 means it is less than 0.001, right? So this means that it is less than 0.001 because the number is so small that it just shows up as 0.00. But if I were to expand that somehow, which I don't have the capability of right now, it would be a much, much, much smaller number than that. But this means that it's significant. So now you have to basically explain, why is this significant, right? And that's pretty much all this is asking right here is why is it significant and how? And then all of these steps are just actually doing the process that I said, right? So linear regression, it's the same deal, right? Except if I go back here and I click on your thing, I just want to do the regression, right? It's the same thing, and you're doing the same steps, but instead it's a regression this time. And that's it. But we don't really have the capabilities for a regression right this second. So, and you know, Gabud will walk you through it as well. So that's about all I can tell you. Good luck.